Hi and welcome to my 5 days of Christmas. Today I'm going to show you really lovely sweet gingerbread biscuits which are so easy to make. And before I start, can I please request you to go and subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button so every time I post a new recipe you get a notification so you don't miss out on any delicious food. So start in a bowl. I've just got 25 grams of unsalted softened butter, 60 grams of soft brown sugar and 90 grams of golden syrup. Beat it for a couple of minutes until it's really lovely and creamy. I've got one egg here, one large egg, and I'm going to slowly add it to the mix. Add 300 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of bicarb of soda and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. With a fork, just try and mix it up a little bit and then make it into really soft dough. It's a really soft dough, but don't worry, it's going to be fine. Once I've got the dough, cover it in cling film and leave it in the fridge to rest for 5-7 minutes. Not much, you don't want it rock solid, just slightly set. Now our dough is lovely. Place a sheet of baking parchment on a chopping board. Start rolling the dough into 3 to 4 millimeter thin. Once it's rolled, leave the whole sheet in the fridge for 15-20 minutes. It needs to be nicely set. And I've got these two really little cute gingerbread men and women cutters, and I'm just going to try and get as many as I can from the dough. Now I've got another baking sheet and I've got baking parchment on that, and I've got the oven heating up nicely at 180°C. Once I've got all my pieces, all the biscuits, put it in the oven, bake for 10 to 12 minutes. You want them nice and brown, but don't burn them, they won't taste nice. Once they're out, we're going to place them on cooling rack and let them cool properly while I make the icing. For this royal icing, it's simple. We need 1 egg white and icing sugar. First whisk the egg white into soft peaks and then add a little bit of lemon and then the icing sugar. I'm going to mix it all up. I'm going to add 2 colors today, a little bit of green and a little bit of red, because of course it's Christmas. Now I've got all 3 in piping bag and I'm just going to decorate them just freehand as the ideas come to my mind. Here they are, a little army of gingerbread men and women. Such an easy thing to make, and this will keep your kids really entertained, and I've enjoyed making them too. Now that the gingerbread men are ready, in the previous video I showed you how to make these gorgeous cupcakes, and a really fun way to serve these is gingerbread men on top. So thanks for joining me, and I am going to see you again very soon. Bye for now. Give us a thumbs up and leave some comments. Bye.